Hey there, tech enthusiasts. In this video, we'll show you the easiest and fastest way to open the Resource Monitor in Windows 11. Now, you might be wondering, what is the Resource Monitor and why should I care? Well, the Resource Monitor is a powerful tool that allows you to monitor your computer's performance, check resource usage, and identify any bottlenecks or issues that might be slowing down your system. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to optimize their Windows 11 experience. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. You can open the Resource Monitor tool using Windows Search. Click the Start button, then on the search bar, type Resmon. Open the Resmon app. You can now monitor various aspects of your computer system ranging from CPU, memory, disk, and network. Another way to open the Resource Monitor tool is by using the Task Manager. Right-click on the Start button, then open Task Manager. Click on Performance on the left pane. Click on the See More three dots found on the command bar. Click on Resource Monitor. Thank you for watching our video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. We appreciate your support.